T-minus 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of our solar orbiter and international collaboration to give us new images and a better understanding of our life-giving star. Listening now, you hear the voice of Patrick Moore, ULA's launch commentator.
Now 25 seconds into flight. Chamber pressure on the SRB looks good. Engine operating parameters on the RD-180 also look good.
Good report so far. Atlas V beginning to pitch
35 seconds in, vehicle is completing the pitch over maneuver. Now 41 seconds into flight.
45 seconds into flight, everything is looking good.
We heard that the RD-180 engine was operational.
RD-180 throttling down slightly as expected, and engine response looks good.
I'm going to pull those engines down for just a little bit as we anticipate max Q.
Is now supersonic. Vehicle's now passing through max Q, maximum dynamic pressure.
At maximum dynamic pressure is the period of maximum mechanical stress on the rocket because it's reached its highest velocity and resistance created by the Earth's atmosphere.
Back up to full thrust as expected.
Made it through and they're throttling back up.
And standing by for SRB burnout. And we have burnout on the solid rocket booster. Atlas will hold on to the SRB for an additional 47 seconds prior to jettison.
They're going to let that thing go at 2 minutes and 19 seconds.
Now 1 minute 45 seconds into flight. RD-180 continues to perform well at full thrust. Pump speeds and injector pressures look good.
All right, stand by now for booster jettison.
And now coming up on 2 minutes into flight, the Atlas V vehicle now weighs just 1/2 of its liftoff weight. RD-180 throttling down slightly as expected, and response continues to look good. And standing by for SRB jettison shortly.
Now look to your screen
and we have good indication of jettison of the solid rocket booster. Atlas V has gone to Q Alpha limited closed loop steering. Vehicle body rates look good.
Now the next major milestone is
now 2 minutes 35 seconds into flight.
At 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
And the second stage RCS system press valve is opened. System now pressurizing to flight levels.
Flying at over 5,000 miles per hour.
Now 3 minutes into flight, approximately 1 minute remaining until BECO.
And he's talking about main engine cutoff, 1 minute.
RD-180 continues to look good. At pump speeds and injector pressures look good. 3 minutes, 15 seconds in.
All right, about to cut that booster.
Vehicle body rates look stable.
Seconds.
Now 3 minutes, 30 seconds in. RD-180 now throttling to maintain a constant 5G acceleration limit. Engine response looks good. And we've begun boost phase chill down. Now throttling to a 4.6G acceleration limit. Boost phase chill down has ended. Standing by for BECO. And we have BECO booster engine cutoff, standing by for stage
Atlas Centaur separation.
And we have good indication of Atlas Centaur separation. We have pre-start on the RL-10, standing by for ignition.
Next major milestone is the payload fairing. When that comes off,
we have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10. Chamber pressure looks good. Body rates look good.
That payload
and we have good indication of payload fairing jettison.
Right now.
This first burn of today's mission will last approximately 8 minutes. And the RCS system is now performing initial firings to warm up the RCS motor catalyst bed. System response looks good.